xDuoo is back and they've just released their new XD05T. This is a portable tube amplifier. The brand is already stating that this is kind of like bringing back the vintage tube amps that were made back in the 1960s. Um, xDuoo, they are popular these days. I have to be honest. There was a time they were upcoming. A few years ago, I remember when nobody really knew much about xDuoo as a brand. They just saw it as just one of those chi-fi brands where they've built a solid fan base all these years. They are not still on the same level as Topping and SMSL for some reason, even after all these years. Maybe they're because they've not been so consistent in their releases and all that. And I but still believe that they've not really had that one product that has, put them on the map. Companies do have that one product that if you point and talk about that company, you will know that this is their top line product or the product that made them successful and popular. I don't think that xDuoo has ever had any product that's put them on the map. But this new model has some unique features. It comes with a new unique hybrid circuit design. There is a three gain levels switch. Uh, you can use this for both IEMs and your regular high-end headphones. Everything boils down to the way you want to use this new tube amplifier. Now, it comes with dual ESS 9039Q2M DAC chips inside. Uh, Price is a bit high. I don't think many people can afford it, but it's not the most expensive tube amp on the planet. It's $550. It's portable, so that's one of the other advantage because it's portable. It makes it a little bit more appealing to a lot of people as well. So it's not like it's useless or anything like that. Um, it has a versatile 8 mode connectivity. It's built like a tank. It's very well made. Now, tubes are still a special thing you can have in an amplifier because one thing tubes do have is a warm sound. You can't get it with digital amplifiers. It's just the reality. Digital amplifiers do tend to fatigue a lot of listeners, even myself included. It makes you have a long headache, and because it's so bright, it's so digital. It's always clean, but digital sound tends to fatigue people for a long time. But tube sound, especially well-made tube amps, will keep you listening all day long as you are free to just chill that whole day. Tube amps have that potential to make your day worthwhile in terms of sound quality. And that's what the XD05 will take full advantage of. The states that it's going to take full advantage of that two miniature tubes from the 1960s. These are carefully selected, meticulously paired vintage tubes that add a touch of beautiful harmonics to what you're listening to, and you get very warm, full sound. The sound will be warm, very direct, and it's not gonna be muddy in any way, shape, or form. The other thing again you have to look at is that tube amps operate in a high voltage environment, so they generate even this odd harmonic based. They generate even other harmonics based on the original signal. Now they state that these signals um, tend to tend at least these harmonics combine when the fundamental frequencies and high frequency harmonics do create a fuller and richer sound, delivering very pleasant immersive listening experience. That's how they are marketing this. as one of the most richest amps that you can buy out there, that would have any issues with that warm resolution you can get from some very specific type of amplifiers out there. So look, this model is a beast, and they state that it's very good for jazz, vocals, classical music. It's still good for rap because warm sound is more or less tailored to rap or things that have intense bass or crazy, level of bass and power in its mid bass and mid range and all that. That's where tube amps shine the best, the most. It has a hybrid circuit. xDuoo states that they recognize the crucial role of the preamplifier in shaping the overall sound quality. So to highlight the distinctive tube sound, xDuoo integrates a vacuum tube in the preamplifier stage for enhanced driving power. Transistors are employed in the current amplification stage, delivering robust outputs. So when driving 300 ohms headphones, the power reaches up to 556 milliwatts, which is fantastic, very, very fantastic. In every sense of the word, people would want something very powerful so that they can drive even the most demanding headphone they have in their collection. So that's something. Now they also have this tube L setting that is ideal for IEMs with this particular new amplifier. Now the tube M suits low impedance headphones, while the tube high is tailored for high impedance headphones. So this versatility ensures users can enjoy optimized sound quality across different devices without even worrying about distortion or even the amplifier being too powerful and destroying their IEM or their headphones in general. So this is very, very nice. I think a lot of people will enjoy this new release regardless. People would buy into it and get their hands on it if they want to. So look, one more thing, this thing is okay for desktop usage as well. So if you want to use it on your desktop, you can. If you want to travel with it, you can travel with it. Everything boils down to your needs in general. So that's it. I'll drop details down below for you guys so you can buy it if you're interested in it. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time, and also smash that like button. Thank you guys.